Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Shelly over at Crafty Cottage Dreams. Welcome back. Today I'm just popping on real quickly because I wanted to share this lovely parcel that I received from Gisela over at Lavish Laces. And this is going to be a collaboration for June and July between Gisela over at Lavish Laces and Lydia at Raindrop Lila, and all the beautiful design team artists. So I just really wanted to come on and do an unboxing video. I will post everybody's, I'll post Gisela's and Lydia's links down below in the description box. And here is her info. Isn't that a beautiful card? And I'm just going to read what she sent me. Hello, I am so excited for you to receive your package for the Lavish Laces and Raindrop Lila collaboration. Everything in this box is yours to keep. I ask that you choose a small variety of items to use on your design team project for Lydia in June, July. When you share your project, just mention that we are doing a collab and link my Etsy shop information in the post or video description. There are no other requirements. I appreciate your willingness to create and hard work so very much. Sincerely, Gisela, Lavish Laces. I've worked with her before. She was generous, just I think it was a couple years back. I received a package from her and I worked with some of her laces. So let's just open this up. I didn't really need to undo that. I think I can just pull everything out. Let's see. So pretty. Look at that ledger. Wow. I love it. So how about, I'm not going to really open this, but you can see there's lovely ribbon. Beautiful colors. I love it. And let's see. Look at this. This is so pretty. Isn't that pretty, ladies? I love that. This is gorgeous as well. So pretty. I'm kind of at a different desk today. That's so pretty. I like that. That's gorgeous as well. I hope everybody's doing well today. That's going to be pretty to use. yeah, so I've had the pleasure to work with Gisela before in the past. And she's sent me parcels in the past and I've used in my journals. So it's so nice to work with you again, Gisela. This is very pretty. And I love this. Nice. Love these vintage laces. I love the color. So what's everybody up to today? I finally finished my design team project for Lydia, Raindrop Lila, and I'll be having to do that video as well. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it today, possibly. We'll see. Look at this ledger. That is so gorgeous. Yes. We have some stamped. I think this is like just tissue paper, and she stamped the top of it. So nice. I love that. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? Just one huge, wow. Absolutely love it. I so love that. I love ledger, vintage ledger, and this is neat. So nice. I love that. What else do we have here? An old vintage photo. And then these are cool. They're like photo slides. That'll be fun to create with. And we have a postcard. I'm not sure where that is from. Let's see. I'm not sure what it says. Oh, France. Very nice. Aw, isn't he adorable? I love this. And then we have another old vintage photo slide. Another old photo. Here's another postcard. Very cool. Very nice. These are nice. Paris. I love these. $19.16. Paris. Can't make out the date though. Wow. These are all very beautiful. It's going to be so much fun working with these. All these beautiful items. Thank you so much, Gisela. These are so pretty. I love anything vintage. Of course, who doesn't? So, I just want to pop on real quickly and do an unboxing for you. Again, this is collaboration for June and July. Sorry, guys. Between Lydia, Raindrop Lila, hi Lydia, and Gisela. Hi Gisela, over at Lavish Laces. So until next time, guys, much love and hugs. Talk to you soon. Bye.